Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking in. If you're new, hi, I'm Raquel and welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to do a very cute look. So if you'd like to see how I get to do it, please continue watching. And well, if you're not interested, also keep watching because I need a watch time. So we're first going to start with concealer, and we're filling our whole lid with concealer. I'm using MAC Pro Concealer, and I'm setting it in so that it does not crease, and some people prefer using eyeshadow to set in. So I'm starting with Dakar on the edge part of the eye, and I forgot to tape my eye so that I get that crisp look, but you don't have to use it. So I'm using first the Dakar, and next to it I'm going to go in with the Douala just on top of it to act as my transition shade. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35B palette. I think it's the Morphe 35B with a black shade. I'm going to use it just below the other two shades, the previous two shades that I had put. And when you're working with the black shade, you have to try to not overuse it so that it does not kind of eat the other shades. So I'm cutting my crease here with still the same concealer that I used earlier. And take your time at this place because you want the cut crease to look good, and you don't have to stress yourself. No two cut creases can look exactly the same, just like no two eyebrows can look exactly the same. I mean, they're like sisters, not twins, yeah, so they can't be exactly the same. So I'm setting it up with Mogadishu. And right here I'm just trying to darken the upper part of the crease with the black shade that I'd used earlier. Now let's get the Huda eyeshadow palette, the color Accra, and I'm just going to brush it all over the part that I've cut the crease. And because I want to use a golden color on top, using the yellow shade will just make the golden pop. Yeah, so now let's use the Juba at the end part of the cut crease, and the Dakar to just deepen it up. Now the Djibouti, the golden shade. I prefer using my finger because it blends it in better. So like use whatever means you can, but the finger does a better job. And for the eyeliner, I'm using the Huda eyeliner. Then I'm going to get this Karité silvery eyeliner, and I'll use it right on top of the black eyeliner. And my eyelashes curl upwards, so I have to press them down so that they don't interfere with my art. So we're using Cara Beauty in the number 805. These bad boys are just beautiful. So let's now blend our eyelashes and the falsies together. You can remove the tape, and as you can see, it just leaves a crisp look. So let's prep our face with the MAC Prep and Prime. And then next we're going to use our MAC Studio Fix foundation all over our face. Just blend it in real good, and with this foundation a little goes a long way. Make sure you get your neck, honey, because we want your neck and your face to look the same. And then now we're going to get the MAC Studio Fix concealer. And we're just going to touch up our under eyes and our T-zone. Make sure we get rid of the eye bags and the dark under eye circles. And we always have to remember to set our face so that the concealer does not crease. And I'm doing this with such a buttercup. Just set in all the places that you've concealed. And the place that I'll let my setting powder sit for a while is on my nose and under my cheekbones to just give it that snatched look. So let's brush off the powder remaining, and while the other parts are baking, let's go in with the Dakar in the underlid and the Juba. And then let's clean out the remaining setting powder. Then let's go in with Brownie Bite and just deepen our contour. And then I'm using the Mario Badescu to just spray in and put on my highlights. And with the highlights, I'll use the e.l.f. highlights, and I'm going to just finish up my face with the Black Opal finishing powder and spray it all to set it with the Mario Badescu setting spray. And then still with the e.l.f. highlighter, I'll use it on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose to just bring the shine. And then this djibouti just does a beautiful job. Damn. Okay, so let's put it on to just make it all pop. And then I wanted a deeper shade, so I went in with the African sauce, with the Huda Beauty African sauce liquid lipstick, just at the middle of my lips. And then with the Vamp red shade, I used it all over my lip, and make sure to blend it all nicely so that the brown lipstick shade will not be seen. Yeah, and we are done. I'm loving this look. It's just so beautiful. I mean, it's bold, but it's beautiful. The bold and the beautiful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.